Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium quick guide step by step clearly. Unbox your Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium and ensure all components are present. Turn off the power to your HVAC system at the circuit breaker to ensure safety during installation. Remove your existing thermostat from the wall carefully, taking note of the wire connections. Label each wire with the included stickers according to their corresponding terminals on your old thermostat. Disconnect each wire from the old thermostat and remove it from the wall. Mount the new Ecobee wall plate on the wall, using the built-in level to ensure it is straight. Feed the labeled wires through the center hole of the wall plate. Use the screws provided to securely attach the wall plate to the wall. Connect the labeled wires to the appropriate terminals on the Ecobee thermostat. Secure the thermostat onto the wall plate until it clicks into place. Restore power to your HVAC system at the circuit breaker. Follow the on-screen instructions on your Ecobee thermostat to set your preferences. Connect the thermostat to your home Wi-Fi network by selecting your network and entering the password. Create or sign in to your Ecobee account to access additional features and remote control. Download the Ecobee app on your smartphone and link it to your thermostat for convenience. Customize your settings, such as temperature preferences and schedules, through the app or the touchscreen display. Your Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium is now set up and ready to help you manage your home's heating and cooling efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.